Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on making your YouTube subscribers private on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If your subscribers are set to public, then when anyone visits your channel, they will be able to see a list of all the channels that you are subscribed to. You can easily change this to private, so all your subscriptions are private, and this is how. On your channel page in the YouTube app, tap on Edit Channel. Under the Privacy tab, there is a setting called Keep All My Subscriptions Private. All you have to do is enable this toggle to change the setting, and your sub list will then be completely private. If we go back and visit the channel now, we can see that my subscriptions are no longer visible. You can re-enable public subscriptions at any point by going back to the same setting and disabling the option. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.